Welcome to the channel, ladies and gentlemen. Today I'm going to show you how you can connect Lovable to Cursor. Right, so the first step to connecting Lovable to Cursor is to connect your Lovable to GitHub. Now, I have covered that in another video, but the steps are pretty easy. All you need to do is log into your Lovable and link your project to your GitHub account via the GitHub icon, which you'll find in settings. This establishes real-time sync between your Lovable app code and a dedicated GitHub repository, and it ensures that every design change is automatically versioned. So here we can see number 2 is the cloning of your GitHub repository in Cursor. So you need to open Cursor, select a local development folder, and clone the GitHub repository URL from Lovable. You can now install the necessary dependencies and run the application locally to see your Lovable design come alive in your development environment. The third step is to edit and refine within Cursor. So you can now leverage Cursor's AI-powered code editor to make precise modifications, debug issues, and implement complex functionalities. You can also use the AI-assisted prompts to modify UI effects, enhance back-end logic, or add advanced features that go beyond Lovable's visual interface. The fourth and final step is to push the changes and synchronize. So commit and push your Cursor edits back to GitHub. Lovable will now automatically detect and sync these updates. This will maintain perfect harmony between both platforms while still preserving your development history and enabling seamless collaboration. I hope this was helpful.